Welcome back to my channel. For today I do not look like myself, I feel like. I went a little ham with the makeup today. I have this really dramatic makeup look. I always do the more soft looks, the more wearable looks, and today I wanted to go all in dramatic black smoky eye. Got a lot of questions to do that. I've been kind of ignoring those questions for a year because I was kind of scared to do this darkness on my eyes, but I did it, and I'm kind of what? But I'm kind of living for it. Hope you guys like it. I have a giveaway on my Instagram. Go check it out. So I'm going through the smoky eye step by step. Got a lot of questions to do tips on how to blend, so I combined these two videos, a black smoky eye, and I talking through the whole process. So if this is something you would like to see, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off with putting in these contact lenses from Desio. These are day lenses, so I will throw them away after using them, because they are just for one day. And by the way, I don't know if you can hear it, but I got a cold. But these are in the color wild green, so I'm going to put them in. So this is me with the lenses in. I'm going to apply this mud masky mask, and I'm going to use this new Sigma brush. It's a skincare brush. They sent me their skincare brush set, and that's just really nice because I always apply. I'm just so excited to film. Just wanted to say that. I'm really excited to film and finally do makeup. Oh. Although I have to go to school in the morning and it's already almost time to sleep, I don't care. I want to film a video. I really want to be back on YouTube and post stuff. But yeah, so this is the Clay Mud Mask Brush, the S101. Sorry, S01. The products are always mentioned in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Okay. This brush is really nice. Also nice because it's not picking up any products, and I think it's just really easy to clean also. And then I have this really cute box, received this really cute box from Benefit. The Magical Brow Stars. I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow pencil. By the way, I just posted a big giveaway on my Instagram. My Instagram is just the same as my YouTube name, and just my name. And I also have the link to my Instagram in the description box, also to my Snapchat. And it's a worldwide giveaway, and you actually only have to put a comment underneath the post, and that's it. Make sure you go enter. Always, when I have done a giveaway and I have announced the giveaway winner, I get messages like, yeah, I never win. So I'm not going to enter giveaways anymore. But that's not smart. You just have to enter more and more and more giveaways to have more chance. And the people that always win my giveaways are also always like, I've never won a giveaway. So just enter giveaways. I really believe in that you just have to enter more to make more chance on winning. Now I'm going to use the Jouer high coverage concealer. No. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to use the E20 brush from Sigma to clean up my brow. But I love the Tarte Shape Tape as a eyeshadow base. I love it so much for that. It's the perfect base. It's not too wet and creamy. It dries up and great coverage, and it makes the eyeshadows blend easy on top of it. Oh my god, I'm running out of it. Using this beauty blender to blend this in. Now I'm going to wash off the mask, and then I will be back. So now I'm going for a smoky black eye. I got a lot of questions the past year to do that, but I was actually kind of scared to do it. But we are going to do it right now. So from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to start off with this color here. This is one of my favorite palettes of all the palettes that I own and of all the palettes that I tried. Oh my god, I do not have good brushes anymore. Well, I have a lot of good brushes, but my favorites are just not here. I really need to wash my favorites, but make sure that there are no creases, because I'm not setting my concealer on my eyelid, because the eyeshadow will be then more pigmented. Now I'm going to start blending in the crease. And making circular motions. I always like to start off at the outer V of my eye and then work my way to the inside. And also make sure to not go all the way up to the brow, because that will make it look less clean. You want to have a little space between the brow and the eyeshadow. Now I'm going into this color here with a smaller blending brush, M514. And the brush that I used to blend this in my crease was the GH30. Again, starting on the outer V. And I'm going to work my way to the inside. I'm going to a really dark color, and that's this one here with my favorite brush, the M506. And I'm going to deepen the crease even more. And do not blend out the edge with a brush where eyeshadow is still on. Well, if it's the dark color. So I'm not going to blend out this edge. If I create a harsh line, I'm not going to blend it out with this brush. That's really important. A big tip that I didn't know when I started. I would just keep blending, and I would go up, and then it will just, I would look like a panda. Because I would go so high up into my brow with the eyeshadow. So then, what you have to do if you have a harsh line, go in with a clean blending brush or with your transition shadow. You can blend those two colors together, but never go in with the brush where the dark color is still on. So I'm going to blend out the edge now with the brown color. Now I'm going in with this cream color in black from NYX. And I'm going to apply that on my lid. And I'm just applying that on my eyelids, and I'm not going all the way into my crease. And now I'm going to use a concealer brush from BH Cosmetics, the 9 brush. I am going to blend out the edge. Okay, and now it's going to get even blacker. I'm going in with the black color here. Going to apply that with the eye shading E55 Sigma brush, and I'm going to press that on top of this cream. This eyeshadow will now stick more onto it and will be more pigmented. That's really black. We have to blend that out. I'm going to use this, my favorite brush, the M506, and I'm going to start to blend out that edge and try to stay as close to that edge as possible. Just make circular motions on top of that. Now I'm going to create a wing with the Sam Marshall eyeliner. Now I'm going to try out the roller lash from Benefit. Okay, it is really nice. I also love the other mascara from Benefit. I forgot the name. I don't know how many mascaras they have, but there's one mascara that I really love. I'm going to apply the Seductress lashes from Morphe. Now onto the face. I'm going to start off with this Fenty Beauty primer. Just only for my T-zone, to make sure that my pores will not be visible. Then I'm going to apply on the rest of my face this Jouer Daily Clarifying Treatment Oil, because the rest of my face is super dry and I don't want to have a patchy foundation or cakey, powdery, ugly foundation. So this is going to make it look more dewy. Now I'm going to apply this Pro Filter Fenty Beauty foundation. Have any one of you guys tried out the new concealer from Fenty Beauty? Let me know, because I really want to try it out. It's a little tiny bit too dark. I'm gonna fix that with concealer, but it's crazy because it was actually my color. Look at this creature. She's adorable. I'm going to use the high coverage concealer from Jouer. Really recommend this concealer. It is really thick and covering. Now I'm going to use this bake powder for the first time from Beauty Bakery. I just love that it's in this flower packaging. Really cute. Make sure that there are no creases. Now I'm going to bronze with the Limelight bronzer from Sigma. Code is, by the way, in the description box from Sigma. Also wiping away the powder and blending it all together. So also wiping this powder away. Okay, so I love this bake powder. It's really good. This is a really good powder and I already know that I will use this really often. Also pressing this in and wiping it away. Now I'm going in with this Pro Blush Palette from Ofra. And I'm going into this color here. Just to give my face some life. And now we are going to glow. I'm going to use the Meraki Cosmetics Cibel highlighter. My favorite highlighter. Maybe I'm going a little bit too far with the glow, but I am living for this. I am living for this. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, or not. No. I don't want to highlight my brow bone. It's enough highlighted and I don't want to mess up the look here above my eyeshadow. So I'm just only going for the inner corner highlighter. So now I'm going to use the Beauty Blender Set and Refresh Spray. So they came out with a spray and I'm super excited to use it and try it. Okay, I love it. Look at that. Now I'm going to use the Give Me Brow in my brows from Benefit. And now we are going to the lower lash line and I do not want to go all in there. I'm going to use a smudge brush and I'm going into first this color here and I'm just going to only blend that on the outer V. I'm actually kind of living for this look. And then I'm going into this color here and I'm going to blend that onto my lower lash line. Blend that together with the darker color. Going back in with the roller mascara. Going to apply this NYX lip liner in the color Munchies. I'm going to apply this Ofra liquid lipstick in Dubai. Okay, I do think that, yeah, the lip color is a little bit too dark. No, it's not too dark. It's too light. So I'm going to use a darker lip liner from NYX in the color Moonwalk. I'm going to make it just a little bit darker. And then on top of that, this clear lip gloss from NYX. Who am I? Okay, that's it for this look. I hope you guys like it. It's something different. different as the looks that I normally do. I hope you guys like me doing more dramatic looks. Like if you want to see more dramatic looks, so that I know that this is something you guys are interested in seeing. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to enter the giveaway on my Instagram. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.